Continuing my build of my 2000 GMC Savannah box truck. Hey guys, just a quick update. I made my dinette seats with just foam stapled to boards with drop cloths, and they came out really nice. Next, I'm playing around with LED strips over the cabinets. I ended up changing this style. I used stick paper to an IKEA box thing I had laying around for my security terminal. It's a Sans 2-camera 4G. And then, of course, we have the wet bath with the flush pump toilet. I'm going to upgrade eventually, but this is fine. It looks nice when I put it all together. I ended up putting a curtain over the main roll door. I'm eventually going to put a door in that door because I hate the roll door. And there I am hamming it up, enjoying playing around with the lights, the vent system, just making that flush, and it's really coming together. So looking at it from the outside, you wouldn't even know it was an RV inside, but it's coming along. More to come.